Hello, this is Maurice Echeloni, and this is for Team 3's Artifact Review 6. So, to show off our homepage here, this is on our live URL. To begin, we can log in, create an account, and let's do an easy password. Okay, now we can sign in. All right. So on our home page here, we can see just the general layout of everything that we have. So this is showing that we have the one controller on our network, we have 2 LTs, and we have 5 ONUs. This is all the actual numbers. So, let's see. If we look at our network page, we can see that this OLT has the ONUs on it. It shows what their MAC address would be and loads some of the information about each one. The red indicates that there is an alert for that device. So this ONU would have an alert on it of some type, which we can see on the next page, and then this OLT has none below it. And if we look at statistics, we can select one of the devices by MAC address, or we can search for it. If we select this one, it shows just the data usage in bytes over a time frame, and as in upstream and downstream traffic, and we can look at that for each device. And then this shows some of just the generic information that an operator may want to know about their device, meaning the total number of missed data and errors that occur. On the alerts page, you see for the OLT alerts, so this one would be that the device is getting too hot, shows the MAC address and when that alert was reported. And then for the ONU, you can see again the time, the MAC address for it, and then information about it, about that alert. And you can also sort the alerts by time, MAC address, device type, whatever you chose. On the configuration page, if we look at this OLT, we can see all its configuration here, and we can also edit its configuration. So changing these would change in our database what it would be, and then our controller would update those changes. We can also do the same for each ONU. And that shows our website. So for our controller, our current version, to run it, we just run this command. Currently it shows just the table in our database doesn't exist for the new version of our software code. Just we're waiting on to update the database, but it can see that it is running, and it's just waiting on a few SQL updates with the newest version of our sponsor's code. And if we take a look at our Taiga board, we can see that for the most part we've been on track. The last couple days have been a little slower, just because we've really been just doing a bunch of fixes and changes that our sponsor gave us feedback on, just a list of different things to change as far as the looks and function of the website. So most of it has just been little pieces like that, and with these large user stories, some of them got a little left behind, but pretty much everything is just wrapping up at this point. So that should conclude our Artifact 6 review.